Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
A is for apron. A is for axe. B is for bucket. B is for boots. C is for compost. C is for clippers. D is for dig and fork. D is for dirt. E is for earthworm. E is for edger. F is for fork. F is for fertilizer. G is for garden. G is for gloves. H is for hoe. H is for hose. I is for irrigation tube. I is for insects. J is for jug. J is for jasmine. K is for kneeling pad. K is for kettle. L is for leaves. L is for loppers. M is for mulcher. M is for mud. N is for netting. N is for nozzles. O is for outdoors rake. O is for onion. P is for pruning shear. P is for plant. Q is for quick connect hose. Q is for quince. R is for roots. R is for rake. S is for shovel. S is for seeds. T is for trowel. T is for trellis. U is for umbrella. V is for vegetable. W is for watering can. W is for wheelbarrow. X is for xeriscaping. X is for xylem. Y is for yard cart. Y is for yarrow. Z is for zinnia flowers. Z is for zucchini.